everyone, welcome back. So today I have my hair tutorial of how I do my curls. So I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I wanted to film this video. I hope you guys like it. So I'm going to start using this Downey tool. I'll list it down below. Please, if you guys do decide to purchase this tool, use my discount code. It means a lot to me when you guys use my discount codes. It just helps me and it motivates me to like keep going. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with curling my hair. I do my curls away from my face. I am wearing extensions because I really have short, thin to medium hair, and I like my hair to be a lot fuller. So I do have these extensions that I use when I want to curl my hair. I did fast forward this video because it's like very repetitive and very long, but I still kind of wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. So I am curling away from my face all over all my hair. So I'm not, changing ways that I'm gonna curl it. So I do take little sections. I don't take big sections because you kind of want it to make it seem like it is a curl, but a natural curl. So I'm just gonna do this half away from my face. Both sides are gonna be away from my face, basically. I hate like that when I can't explain myself. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just taking little sections. Like I said, that's what it's supposed to look like. It's okay if they look like those tight little curls. We will separate them at the end. You just want to make sure they're really tight right now, and then we'll loosen them up with our fingers, and then we'll have that curl. I was very intimidated when I first started doing my hair like this, but I kind of was tired of just like having my hair curled the normal way I usually do. But I always wanted to see what I look like with those curls, and they're beautiful. So I was like, you know what, I want to try it. So when I did feel a little intimidated. It's okay if it doesn't look okay, guys. Like, play with it. Just takes practice. I've done this hairstyle like 5 times already, and I love it. So I do have these extensions that are for this. On this video, I actually brushed them out just so that I had fresh, straight, kind of wavy hair, so that you guys can see what I was working with. So here, I'm sorry, I totally forgot to push the camera up. I think I do when I realize it, but kind of a little late. But I'm curling away from my face. This is a little tricky part because I have layers, so a lot of the layers stick out. So you kind of have to maneuver a little bit and see what works for you. So I do have to kind of like go back and kind of play with it, and maybe add a little bit of water to kind of mix the hair into the extension into your real hair, so it doesn't like have all those layers sticking out. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm almost done, and this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little crazy. We'll leave it alone. We're gonna start off with the other side. And again, it's gonna be away from my face, and these little sections, you guys can see, they're not big sections. So once I curl the hair into the wand, I kind of roll the hair a little bit more in, so the curl is almost touching my scalp, because I don't want it to have like that gap, especially if my hair is not really that curly. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and do that. I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then we'll come back at the end. I also forgot to mention, make sure you guys are wearing heat protectant into your hair, please, because you don't want to dry your hair, burn it. So you really want to protect it, especially curling your hair. As you guys can see, I don't really hold it that much too long, because I do have like a little bit of hair, so I'm not holding it for too long. And the curl, like, it's amazing. This curling art, I love it. Like I said, I do have a discount code if you guys are interested. It's a 6-in-1, I believe, or 8-in-1. I'm not sure. I will list it down below. Put the link and my discount code. I would really appreciate it if you guys do purchase this and use my discount code. So yeah. Anyways, make sure you don't burn yourself, because it's happened. All right, I'm gonna let you guys keep watching. Alright, as you guys can see, I do blend my hair with the extensions just so that it turns into one. I'm almost done. I just want to make sure that everything is really nice and blended in, like it looks like it's my hair. So you want to make sure you are curling your extensions, if you're wearing extensions, with your real hair so that it looks like it's your hair and you're not wearing extensions and your hair is like off. Trust me, I've done it before. So then after that, I should be done. I let them cool down. Then I just mess with them with my hands, separate the curls. I can't find the clip, but yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm so sorry the lighting is like horrible. I'm still trying to work with the lighting here, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.